Okay, good afternoon. Shall we start our lecture? Hmm? Yesterday's you discussed how to draw the histogram. You have any questions to ask the previous lecture? You have any questions? Ask the previous lecture. alguma question තියෙනවද the lecture here? I think there are no questions. Okay. Now go to our today lecture. Our today lecture is stem and leaf diagram. Okay. First, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first we understand what is the stem and leaf diagram. A stem and leaf diagram is a device for representing qualitative data in a table format. Okay, then a stem and leaf plot is a special table where each data value is split into a stem. Stem means the first digits of digits, and a leaf usually the last digits. Okay, consider some example. Consider example number 4. Consider our example number 4. Okay, in this example, our data set is 86, 80, 25, like this. Okay, we want to create a stem and leaf graph diagram. First, we rearrange the data for the ascending order. Okay, we want to create a stem and leaf diagram. First, we rearrange our data in the ascending order. How to rearrange the data in ascending order? What is ascending order? Still, I think you all know how to rearrange the data set in the ascending order. Okay, then identify what are the stem and what are the leaf. Okay, then we can draw the stem and leaf table. Okay, I told previously our stem is what? Consider the 86 data. Consider the 86. Our leaf is what? Our leaf is 6 and our stem is 8. Okay? Consider 18. What is the stem and leaf? Our leaf is 0 and our stem is 8. Okay? Consider the 100. What is the leaf? What are the leaf? Our leaf is 0 and our stem is 10. Okay? We want to create the stem and leaf graph. Wait a minute. Okay. Consider the data in 100. Our stream is what? Our stream is 10 and leaf is 0. Clear? We want to create the stream and leaf diagram. First we leaf and what are the stream. Okay? Clear? Consider this example. 15, 16, 23, 21, 26, 30, 26, 41, 32. Consider this data set. Our question is create a stream and leaf diagram. Okay, we want to create a stream and leaf diagram. First, we want to rearrange the data set. Okay, I think you all know how to rearrange the data set in the ascending order. In this data set, rearranging the ascending order 15, 16, 21, 23, 23, 26, 26, 30, 32, 41. Okay. In this data set, we know there are 4 streams. What are these streams? In this data set, what are these streams? Please tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the stream, and then we want to find the leaf. Okay, first number is 15. In here, stream is 1 and leaf is 5. Well, then first number is 16. The number 16, first number is 1 and our leaf is 6. Then first number is 2. That means our stream is 2 and leaf is 1. Okay. In this number, our stream is 2 and leaf is 3. This number stream is 2 and leaf is 3. This number stream 2, leaf 6. This number stream 2, leaf 6. And this number streams 3, leaf 0. This number stream is 3, leaf is 2. And this number stream is 4 and leaf is 1. Okay, stream 1 and leaf is 5 means the number is 15. Stream is 1 and leaf is 6 mean number is 16. Clear? තේරුණාද ඔයාලට?
Yes, madam.
ඔයාලට ඕන නම් stream and leaf diagram එකක් create කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලම අපි අඩු එකකින් තමයි වැඩි එකට හදා ගන්න ඕන. Okay, first you want to create this stream and leaf diagram. First we rearrange the data in ascending order. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ අපි කරන්නේ මොනවද අපි stream කියලා හඳුනා ගන්නවා. stream වලට අපි leaf වලට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එන්නේ අන්තිම ඉලක්කමනේ නේද? last digit එක තමයි leaf වලට ගන්න stream වලට ගන්න අපි ඉස්සරහින් තියෙන අන්තිම digit එකට අනුතරව අනේ කියන ටික. Okay? Yeah. In the stream and leaf diagram, the data value is split into a stream. That means the first digits or digits, and a leaf means usually the last digits. Okay, in our stream and leaf diagram, we get the leaf as the last digit. Okay, Clear? Do you have any questions in this part? ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද මොනවද මේ part එක ගැන? Okay, go to our presentation. In our example 4, our data set is this. We want to create a stream and leaf diagram. Okay. I told you previously, first we rearrange the data in the ascending order. I think this is our previous example. Okay. Yesterday, how to rearrange the data in the data set was discussed. Okay. Consider our example. We want to create a stem and leaf diagram. First, we rearrange our data in the ascending order. Okay. In our data set, we arrange these data in the ascending order: 25, 14, 58, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70, 71, 73, 73, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78, 80, 83, 83, 86, 87, 90, 90, 90, 92, 93, 95, 97, 100, and 100. Okay. First, we identify what are the stream in our data set. Previously, I told you the leaf means the last digit number. Okay. Then 2 is our stream, 4 is our stream, 5 is stream, 6 is our stream, 7 is our stream, and 8 is our stream, 9 is our stream, and 10 is our stream. Okay. Then we can create the stream and leaf diagram. Okay. Then we can create the stream and leaf diagram. Our stream first goes to 2 to 10, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then we can review what are the leaves. 25. Consider the number 25. Stream is 2 and leaf is 5. Consider the number 40. Stream is 4. Leaf is 0. Consider 58. Stream is 5 and leaf is 8. Consider the 68. Stream is 6 and leaf is 8. 69. Stream 6. Leaf 9. 69. Stream 6. Leaf 9. 70. Stream 7. Leaf 0. 70. Stream 7. Leaf 0. 71. Stream 7. Leaf 1. 73. Stream 7. Leaf 3. 73. Stream 7. Leaf 3. 73. Stream 7. Leaf 3. 74. Leaf 4. 76, leaf 6, 77, steam 7, leaf 7, 78, steam 7, leaf 8, 18, leaf 0, 83, leaf 3, 83, leaf 3, 86, leaf 6, 87, leaf 7, 19, leaf 0, 19, leaf 0, 2, sorry, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 6. Okay. Then we can create the stem and leaf diagram as the previous example, like this. Clear? Clear? තේරුණාද ඔයාලට? තේරුණාද stem and leaf diagram එක?
Yes, ma'am.
හදන හැටි? මේ අපි in the stem and leaf, please remember these things. In the stem and leaf diagram, the stem value are listed down and the leaf value go right from the stem value. Okay, right left from stem value. The stem is used to group the score and which leaf shows the individual score within each group. Okay, please remember that. In the stem value, listed down and the leaf value go to right from the stem value, and the stem is used to group the score and the leaf shows the individual score within each group. Okay. Then consider how to make in the ordered stem and leaf diagram. How to make in the ordered stem and leaf diagram. Consider this example. What is the ordered stem and leaf diagram? We know usually a stem and leaf is ordered. Okay, which simply means that leaves are arranged in the ascending order from left to right. Okay, ordered stem and leaf diagram means but leaves are arranged in the ascending order from left to right. Okay. Also, there is no need to separate the leaves within control marks. Okay, that means, for example, stems and periods, since each leaves is always a single digit. Okay, consider this example. We know. Consider this one. This stem is leaf is 9, 8, 9. There are no any arrangement for ascending or descending order. Okay, the ordered stem, we want to create the ordered stem and leaf diagram. Usually, stem and leaf plot is the order, therefore, which simply means that the leaves are arranged in the ascending order. Convert this one to ordered stem and leaf diagram. Our stem was go down to 2 to 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. There is no change. Only 5. They haven't any number. And 0, 8. But this is no any arrangement. This one is no any arrangement. Then we can rearrange the ascending orders in leaf. Okay, our leaf is 9, 8, 9. The ascending node is 8, 9, 9. Okay. Consider this one. What are the first number? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 3, 3, 3, then 4, then 7,
8.
8. Okay, good. Okay, consider this one. Rearrange the ascending order. 0,
4,
please.
7, 8.
0, 3, sorry, 4, 6, 7, 8. Sorry.
4, 6,
0, 3, 3, 6, 7. 0, 3, 3, 6, 7. Okay. Consider the leaf of stream 9. This one. Okay. First 0, 0, 0, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. Okay. This one is 0. Okay. Clear? You want to create the ordered stream. Usually, we know the stream and leaf diagrams are what? Ordered one. Okay. You want to create an ordered stream and leaf diagram. That means what? Leaves are arranging the ascending order from left to right. ඔයාලට ordered stream and leaf diagram එකක් නම් create කරන්න ඕන. අපි normal stream and leaf diagram ඔයාලා හදිස්සිය හරි ascending order එකට හදාගන්න නැතුව නම් කරගෙන යන්නේ. ඒකට ඔයාලට එන්නේ ordered stream and leaf diagram එකක් නෙමෙයි. හරිද? ascending order එක කලින් consider කරේ නැත්නම් ordered stream and leaf diagram එකක් නෙමෙයි ඔයාලට එන්නේ. ආන්ගෙන් consider ascending order එකට create convert කරගන්න නැතුව stream and leaf diagram එකක් ඔයාලා ඇඳුවොත් ඔයාලට ordered stream and leaf diagram එකක් හදාගන්න වෙනවා. එතකොට අපි කරන්නේ ordered stream and leaf diagram එකේ කියලා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? leaf ටික තියෙන්නේ පොඩි එකකින් ඉඳලා වැඩි කරලා. ascending order එකට leaf ටික හදාගන්න එක. First you rearrange the data in the ascending order, then finally you get the ordered stream and leaf diagram. But you can't get the ascending order for the data set, then you get some stream and leaf diagram, then you want to convert the ordered stream and leaf diagram. Clear? You have any questions? තේරුණාද ඔයාලට? You have any questions? I think we'll now clear that. Okay. Please doing this exercise within 5 minutes. Please take 5 minutes and doing this example. විනාඩි 5ක් අරගෙන මේ example එක කරන්න. Construct a stream and leaf diagram, the frequency histogram and the relative frequency histogram for the following data set. For the histograms, you may use class intervals as 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, and so on. Okay, your data is this one. Construct the stream and leaf diagram and the frequencies, histograms and relative frequency histograms within 5 minutes. Please doing this example. if there is a problem while calculating this, solving this exercise, at any time you can ask me any questions. මොනවාරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් ගන්න හදාගෙන යනකොට ඕන වෙලාවක අහන්න. Construct a stream and leaf diagram. First you construct the stream and leaf diagram, then frequency histogram, then relative frequency histogram within these intervals. Okay. What are our first step? What is our first step? Any volunteer? Please tell me any volunteer for what is our first step? මොකද මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා කියන්න බලන්න දක්ෂ කියලා. Can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Yes, good. First we arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, I think our data we can be arranged ascending order. First data is the smallest data is 53, I think. 53. Then 53, 68,
69.
69. Okay. Is that 68, 69, then 70.
70.
70. Good. Then
75,
75,
26,
76,
77,
77.
80. 82.
Sorry. 80, 82,
83.
83,
83,
85.
84, 84 and 85. 85, 85, 85. 5, then
88,
88,
92.
92,
93.
good. Then
100.
96 and 100. Good. Okay. First, we rearrange our data in ascending order. Then, we identify what our leaf. I think previously, write down our leaf in both town and leaf. But first, we identify our stream. Then, I told you previously, this thing is the town and the leaf values go right from this stream value. Yeah, our stream value is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we want to create a stream and leaf diagram You want to create a stem and leaf diagram. Want to create the stem and leaf diagram. First, we identify what are our leaf. Leaf are going to 5 to 10. Then we can written as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 our stem. And first number is 53. In here, this is stem and this is leaf. That means the number 53, leaf is 3. Then the number 68, stem is 6 and leaf is 6. And third number is 69, stem is 6 and leaf is 9. The number 70, stem is 7, leaf 0. Number 70, stem is 7, leaf 0. Okay. Then number 70, stem is 7, leaf 0. Then number 75, stem is 7, leaf 5. 76, stem is 7, leaf is 6. 77, stem is 7, leaf is 7. 80, stem is 8, leaf is 0. 82, stem is 8, leaf is 2. Then 83, stem is 8, leaf is 3. 85, stem is 8, leaf is 5. Okay. 85, stem is 8, leaf is 5. 85, stem is 8, leaf is 5. Then 88, stem 8, leaf 8. 92, stem 9, leaf 9. 93, stem 9, leaf 3. 96, stem 9, leaf 6. Then final number is 100. Yeah. 100, stem is 10, leaf 0. Clear? You have any questions in these sections? ඔයාලට මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙද මේ part එකේ? No. For the question, this part is right. Okay. Then a frequency histogram and relative frequency histogram for the following data set. For the histograms, you may use class interval 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, and so on. The data is this one. Okay. We know that the group frequency distribution is not continuous. This is the group frequency distribution now. This is group frequency distribution 51 to 60, 61 to 70. That means the group frequency distribution. Now, think about in some data 60.5. In this data is in which group? Consider the group of 51 to 16. Please tell 60.5 data in which group? Data in 16.5 in which group? Consider this data group. Consider this data group. We have any data in 16.5. Okay. This data indicate in which group?
Not true.
Yes, sir. Yanda? කියලා දුන්නා නේද? Yeah, we can't find in any group because we know that the group frequency distribution is not continuous. So then first we want to convert it into continuous distribution. දැන් මේ වගේ තියෙනවා නම් මේක කන්ටිනියස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ. එතකොට 60.5 වගේ අංකයක් ආවොත් අපිට මොන ගෲප් එකකටවත් දාන්න විදියක් නැහැ. එහෙනම් අපි group frequency distribution එක කන්ටිනියස් වෙන්නේ නැති නිසා අපි කන්වර්ට් කර ගන්න ඕන continuous distribution එකක් විදියට. I think yesterday was discussed how to convert the continuous distribution in this one. Yeah. Okay. Consider this part. We can create the class intervals. Class intervals and frequency. Our class interval is 15.5 to 16.5. Then 16.5 to 17.5. Then 17.5 to 18.5. Then 18.5 to 19.5. Then 19.5 to 100.5. How to convert this? We want to find the lower limit on the class interval, lower boundary of the class interval. We want to find the lower boundary of this class interval. We consider the lower bound of this class interval and the upper bound of previous class interval. Then we can find the lower bound of 61 to 70 class interval. We know the lower bound is previous one upper bound plus lower bound of this class interval divided by 2. That means 121 divided by 2 means 16.5. Okay. Lower bound of class interval is 16.5 and upper bound of this class interval is 70 plus 71 divided by 2. That means 141 divided by 2. That means 17.5. Okay. Likewise, we can written as the class intervals 15.5 to 16.5, 16.5 to 17.5, 17.5 to 18.5, 18.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 100.5. Clear? Clear how to convert the group class interval to continuous class interval? Therunada?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
You have any question, please ask me, okay? There are no any restrictions. Please ask the questions, okay? Okay. Then we can find what are the frequencies of 15.5 to 16.5 class interval. That means 53 is in that class interval and 68 is in the 16.5 to 17.5 class interval. Okay, that means the frequency is 1, frequency is 1 and 68 is in 16.5 second class interval, 69 is in second class interval and 70 is in second class interval. Then second class interval, this value, this value, this value, this value, this value is in second class interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in second class interval. Then 75, 76, 77, 18 is third class interval. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 is in third class class interval. Okay. Then 82, 82, 85, 85, 88 is in fourth class interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 value is in fourth class interval. And 92, 93, 96, 100 is in last class interval. 1, 2, 3, 4 value is last class interval. Okay. Then we can create the previous data in the frequency table in like this. Check that one. 15.5 to 16.5. Frequency 1, frequency 5, 4, 6. Okay, good. Clear? Another. You have any questions? Then we want to create the frequency histogram. Okay, we want to create the histogram. There are two axes. In our axis is the class interval. Our y-axis is frequency. Okay, and the minimum low boundary of the class interval is 15.5, then 16.5, 17.5, 18.5, 19.5, 100.5. Then this is our frequency axis. Our highest frequency is 6 now. Then 1, 2, we can rename this axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now in this class interval, frequency is 1. Okay. Class interval, frequency is 1. Oh, good question. ඇටදශම පහ තිබ්බ කොහොමද ඇතුළත් කරන්නේ? What is the meaning of this one? Sorry. Consider this one. 15.5 to 16.5. What is the meaning of this one? Meaning of this one means the value. Consider the value x. Yeah. Yesterday discussing. Yeah. The continuous case, the class interval defined as follows. Consider the class interval 25 to 14. Class interval 25 to 14 means what? The x value less than or equal to 25 and x value is greater than or equal to 25 and less than 14. X value between 25 and 14 and
Recording stopped.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
ඇහෙනවද මාව කලන් ක්‍රේටි එකක් ගියා මේ මොකද උදව් කියලා. ඇහෙනවද දැනට?
Hello, madam.
දරුවෝ ඇහෙනවද මාව?
Oh, miss.
I know, madam.
ඇහෙනවද මැඩම්?
The class interval 25 to 40 means the value of, sorry, the value in between 25 to 40. ඇහෙන්නේ මොකද? ඇහෙනව නේද? හරි. 25යි 40යි අතර ක්ලාස් ඉන්ටර්වල් එකේ කියන්නේ 25ට වඩා අඩු හෝ සමාන 40ට වැඩි. 25යි 40යි අතර. එතකොට 25 කියන අගය ගත්තත් වෙන්නේ මේ 25 40 කියන ක්ලාස් ඉන්ටර්වල් එකේ. එතකොට තව උදාහරණයක් ගත්තොත්
Recording stopped.
ඔයාලට ඇහෙනව නේද? අනේ sorry මේ කරන්ට් යනවා. Sorry for the delay. Okay. මෙන්න අපේ the class interval 15.5 to 16.5 means what? 15.5 greater than or equal x less than 16.5. තේරුණාද? ඔයාලට 60.5 තියෙනවනම් that means consider this class interval. The class interval 16.5 x less than or equal 17.5. Okay. In the data of 16.5 in the second class interval. 60.5 කියන අගය තිබ්බොත් එන්නේ අපිට දෙවෙනි class interval එකේදී 60.5 70.5 කියන අගය නේද? Okay, clear. I think clear then. Okay. Then we know the frequency of 15.5 to 16.5 class interval is 1 and the frequency of 16.5 to 17.5 class interval is frequency is 5. Okay, 5. And 17.5 to 18.5 class interval frequencies. Okay, 4 and 18.5 to 19.5 interval frequencies 6 and 19.5 to 100.5 the frequencies. This is our frequency histogram. Clear? There another. If you have any question, please ask me. Our next part is create the relative frequency table. In our frequency table, consider the frequency table, class interval, and the frequency. Our first class interval is 15.5, 16.5, 16.5 to 17.5, 17.5, 18.5, 18.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 100.5. Frequencies 1, 5, 4, 6, 4. This, yes. 4, no. The summation of frequency is what? Summation of frequency means 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. The summation of frequency is 20. Okay? The frequency distribution shows the proportions of total number of observations associated is related to distribution. Okay, you want to create a frequency table. First, we find what is the total number of observations. The total number of observation is frequency. Then we can find what is the relative frequency. The relative frequency is proportion of the total number of observations associated with each value of classes of value. Okay, that means 1 over 20, 5 over 20, 4 over 20, over 20, and 4 20. Okay, the relative frequency of class interval 15.5 to 16.5 is 1 over 20, that means 0.05. Okay, relative frequency of 16.5 to 17.5, that means 5 over 20, 5 over 20 means 0.25. Okay, relative frequency of 70.5 to 80.5, that means 4 over 20, this is equals to 0.2. Okay, relative frequency of 18.5 to 19.5 is 6 over 20, that means 0.3. Okay, this class interval relative frequency is 4 over 20, this is equals to 0.2. Frequency table, then we can draw the relative frequency histogram. In the relative frequency histogram, our x-axis is the class interval and the y-axis is what? Relative frequency. Our highest relative frequency is 0.3 and lowest one is 0.5. Then we can draw this y-axis of the relative frequencies for 0.5, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, 0.25, 0.3, 0.35, and our axis is class interval for this is 15.5, this is 16.5, 17.5, 18.5, 19.5, and 100.5. Okay, we know in this table 15.5 to 16.5 is 0.05. The relative frequency is 0.05. Then we can draw this bar. Then the class interval 16.5 to 17.5. The relative frequency is 0.25. 16.5 to 17.5. The relative frequency is 0.25. Then we can draw this bar. Then the class interval 17.5 to 18.5, relative frequency is 0.2. That means this one. This is this bar. Okay. The fourth class interval, relative frequency 0.3. Okay, this is that bar. And the final one, the frequency is 0.2. Okay. Then we can create the relative frequency histogram like this. Consider the relative frequency histogram and histogram. The shape is same. Only difference is the y-axis in the histogram frequency. See this, the y-axis of histogram is namely what? Relative frequency. That is only change of the difference between relative frequency and relative frequency histogram and normal histogram. The x-axis are same, class interval, and this is x-axis is class interval. Clear?
Yes, Ada.
Another. You have any questions in this part? මොනවද ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවද? Stream and leaf diagram එකක් හදන එකේ හරි relative frequency histogram එකක් හදන එකේ හරි නැත්නම් histogram එකක් හදන එකේ හරි නැත්නම් මොකක් හරි ඊයේ ආදී lecture දෙකේ මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවද? You have any questions in the today lecture and the previous lecture? Okay, I think you haven't any question. Today we have 215 the current failure. Therefore,
Recording stopped.
yeah. දැන් අපිට current failure එකක් තියෙනවා මම දැන් class එක නවත්තනවා. හරිද?
Recording in
You have-
progress.
Have any questions? I can stop today's session. You have any questions? Thank you. Haven't any questions? Okay. Thank you for your considerations. See you later.